is, a sort of phase one of maybe two or three or four phases of work that our authorship team is hoping to move toward. I think that the goal here was to try to explore what clinical meaningfulness looked like to the different groups of shareholders. And as we explored how those different groups think about what these phrases mean, how those conversations are had, how those words are exchanged, use that to shape more quantitative work for the future about how often these conversations are had. I think that's one of the big questions is how often they're had, when they are had, um, when the right time to be having them is, what tools would better support those conversations from all sides of the table, whether that's a patient being able to effectively go to their doctor and say, this is what's important to me, and I want this to center our dialogue, or whether it's the physician having the right language toolkit to say, this is going to extend your life with a median improvement in overall survival of 3.2 months with this, which is an improvement in progression-free survival of 34%, or whatever weird statistics we might use. But for you that might look like this. Like, how do we turn medical statistics into clinical meaningful dialogue with patients?